Hello everyone. Let us see the construction of exercise 15 by using AutoCAD 2024. Now the object or the sketch is symmetrical with respect to a horizontal line. So I can create the bottom half, then I can mirror, or else top half can be created and that can be mirror. Anything is fine. But here if you look at top half, here the array, in the array there are more number of copies, whereas here there are only 6 copies. Okay, keeping that in mind, you have to work out. Okay, so I'll start drawing a vertical, then accordingly I'll do the sketching. Okay, a central axis line followed by two more axes at a offset distance of 40 to the right and to the left. For that, let me check the complete overall height of the sketch. Overall height is, here it is 68 followed by, okay, I'll take up to 150 mm. Let me draw a straight line by keeping F8 on to 150 mm length. Alright, then I'll just try to select and center line, change it to 2H color. Now I want this to be at a offset distance of 40. So this side is also 40, clear. Now what else is remaining? Any offsets required? Okay, initially I need to draw one horizontal, then only I can draw two more horizontals. So simply I'll take this followed by a horizontal somewhere, then that horizontal need to be offsetted to a distance of 34. Then again let me open this. Here are the exercises. Alright, now 34. So I'll go with this. This is also 34. Okay, now I'll just try to convert all the three horizontals also into center line style with 2H color. Okay, now there is a circle at the bottom intersection centrally, which is of 58 diameter is one, and one more is 36 diameter, 58 and 36. One is 58, one more is 36. Two circles. Now on this 36 circle, I just convert this into a dashed circle where the color also I'll change. Array is going to sit. An array of circles going to sit there. Now let me create those first. 6 holes of 8 diameter. 6 holes of 8 diameter. So I'll try to create here a hole of 8. Now I'll try to use array option. ARR is the command, array. Select the object, enter polar type. Okay, when it is passing through or when you are placing on the circumference, you are supposed to select the polar. Okay, this is how the sketch look like. Clear. So bottom portion is completed. If you want, you can give colors now also, but individually we are not supposed to give the colors. Actually, to give colors, to give line styles, we have to use layers. That discussion we'll have in upcoming lectures. Okay, this is done. And at 34 there is one more line where you have a radius of 22. Two circles, one is of 22, one is of 20 radius. Okay, so I'll take this one here, one is of 22 and one more is of 20 radius. So I'll take a radius center here, I'll try to place 20. Done. Till here it is fine. Next, to the left side again there is one more circle of 20 radius and 16 diameter. 20 radius and 16 diameter. 20 radius, I'll try to keep it here, 20, and 20 radius or what? 20 radius, 16 diameter. So 16 diameter means 8 is the radius. Completed. That is also clear. So one half we have completed. Let me take fillet between this one, radius of how much? 15 radius is given here. So I'll enter 15, enter, followed by the second selection. Okay, is there anything that I need to trim? Yes, there is something like TR double enter. This portion is not required. Okay, anything else that is clear? There is a tangential line passing through. Let me take line option from here till this point, but I could not see any tangential symbol here. Shift right click tangent, you can easily pick the point. Shift right click tangent point. Okay, now TR double enter to remove unwanted. This is not required, this is also not required. This is how the shape look like. Okay, now the rest I can easily mirror it. Whatever I have constructed here, that I can mirror it. But the question is, here the outer radius is 58. The same thing is there or not? Yes, it is also 58, so I can easily mirror. But if you look at the array circle is 40 radius, here it is 36. So I'll mirror only the outer one, tangential line followed by the fillet. Only few things I'll mirror. What are those things? Let us see. I'll try to mirror this line, this circle, this curve. Okay, by selecting mirror to the with respect to horizontal. No to it. Alright, now TR double enter to remove unwanted. This is not required, this is also not required. This is how the shape look like. Now internally there is a one more circle here which is of 40 radius, 8 holes of 10 dia, 40 radius. So here 40 radius, oh sorry, it is not radius, I think so, 40 diameter, so 20 radius. 20 radius and a hole of 10 dia, I think so, 10 diameter, yes, 8 holes of 10 dia, so 5. So I need to do array, ARR is the command, array of this object, enter polar with respect to this center and change the number to 8. Because here if you look at, here it has given top right corner 8 holes of 10 diameter, same thing we have implemented, 8 holes of 10 diameter. Okay, now here what is unwanted, let us see. TR, these portions I just try to remove, which is not required. Now this is the final sketch, and unwanted axis lines also I'll try to remove. These things you can remove. Done. This is how the complete sketch look like. Okay, if you can compare with the exercise given. Simply it is same like the exercise given. Okay, this is how you have to think, and stepwise you have to do the operations. Okay, once the exercise is given, you have to get an idea. The perspective of every individual is different, so you have to think in that way. Accordingly you have to follow. Okay, I have implemented some method. You can implement your own style. Only thing is you should be very much familiar with all the tools, all the commands, then you can do it effectively. Okay, that is all for the session, and if you have any questions you can comment in the box given below. Thank you.